See what's available now on The Sphere. Technocrats.
According to this article, Samsung is going to be recalling 2.8 million top-loading washers. 2.8 million. 34 different. We're talking 34 different models. 34. So if you have a Samsung washer in your home right now, they could be recalling yours. And as I think about it, I might have a Samsung washer downstairs. Now that I just thought about it, I just might have one. I've got to go check my laundry room. Like, real talk. I literally might have one.
Oh, my God.
I didn't even think about it. This is breaking news. You know, sometimes it happens like that. Literally, I did not think about that. So I may be in that situation myself, man. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yes, it's not looking good for Samsung, bro, at all.